Good morning everyone. So let us continue our class. We were discussing permutation and combination. So in the last video, till question number 5 we have discussed of exercise 6.1. So let us start from question number 6. Without repetition, how many 4-digit number can be formed with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? So we have to form a 4-digit number without repetition. So no repetition is allowed. How many 4-digit numbers? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit numbers can be formed with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and what? 9. So see, in this question, it is a very simple question. Why? Because there is no 0. Second, neither we are said to form any even number or odd number. No 0. So it is a very basic question. Okay. So say this unit digit, it can be filled in how many ways? How many options are there for this unit digit? 1 also can be filled, 3 also we can fill, 5 or 7 or 9. So I have how many options? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. Okay. Not the digit 5 ways. I have 5 options. So since repetition is not allowed, say any of the following number I have filled, say 7. For example, say 7. I have filled up 7. So how many ways I can fill the distance place? Obviously 7 gone. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. Say for example I have filled with 1. How many ways for the 100 place? 3 ways. Say for example the digit 3. And how many ways for the 1000 place? This will be how many ways? 2 ways. So what is the final answer? The final answer is you have to multiply 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That will be our final answer. So let us start now. Given digits. So what are the given digits? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. How many digits? 5 digits. So now we have to form a 5-digit number, right? Sorry, 4-digit number. So now unit digit, or you can say ones place, unit ones place, let's say ones place. Ones place can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. Tens place can be filled in 4 ways. Done. 100 place can be filled in 3 ways, and 1000 place can be filled in 2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways in which what was the question? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? Okay, total number of ways only. Total number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed will be equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 5 2s is 10, 4 3s is 12. So how many numbers we can form? 120 such number we can form. This was a very simple question. So let us move to the next question. The next question is regarding alphabets. Okay. So we have done digits type of question. Next question is regarding alphabets. So you read the question at first. How many ways the letters of the word number can be arranged? Number. That is, we have N, U, M, B, E, R. How many ways the letters of the word number can be arranged? First question is how many ways the letters of the word number can be arranged? So very simple. 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since in the question it is not mentioned taking 4 at a time, 3 at a time, it is just said how can you arrange them. That means How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to take 6 only. Okay. যদি কোয়েশনত নকয় দুটা লব লাগে তিনটা লব লাগে চাৰিটা লব লাগে যদি অকল কোয়েশনত কয় how can you arrange them তো যিমানটা আছে ইমানটাই লব লাগিব 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 only you have to arrange them তোমার তিনটা চাৰিটা লব নালাগে যিমানটা আছে ইমানটাই লব লাগিব অকল arrange কৰিব লাগিব না so how many ways the letters of the word number can be arranged very simple obviously you cannot repeat because there is only one n only one u so there is no chance of any repetition done so how many ways you can fill this place see you can start with this place also you can start with this place also doesn't matter okay only and only if there is 0 then you start with this place and only if it is an even question or odd question you start from this place otherwise you can start from here also you can start from here also doesn't matter so how many ways I can fill this first place this first place can be filled in how many ways 1 2 3 4 5 6 I have 6 options I can fill in 6 ways 6 ways. Next one, since there is no repetition, I think it's very easy to understand. One gone, any one I filled. So 5 ways. Another one gone, 4 ways. Then 3 ways. Then 2 ways. Then obviously 1 ways. In short, in exercise number 2, we will directly write this answer as factorial 6. But this is the first exercise, so we are doing it by fundamental way. That is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 ways, 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. In shortcut, 6 items can be arranged in directly you can write the answer as factorial 6 ways okay because this is factorial 6 but not in this exercise I will not do it that way okay from the next exercise I will do it shortcut that how can you arrange the word number we can arrange the word number in factorial 6 ways shortcut we can write but not now I will write it 6 ways 5 ways 4 ways 3 ways 2 ways and 1 ways done so first question answer is factorial 6 only NUMBER what is factorial 6 factorial 5 is 120 so factorial 6 will be 720. So you write the given part. Given this question number last question of this exercise given word NUMBER given word is number that is how many letters 6 letters okay so now I will not do in shortcut way now first place can be filled in 6 ways second place can be filled in 5 ways third place can be filled in 4 ways fourth place can be filled in 3 ways. Fifth place can be filled in 2 ways. And sixth place can be filled in 1 ways. Therefore, total number of ways. How many ways are letters of the word number? Total number of ways the letters of the word number can be arranged is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the answer will be how much? 720. Done. So now let us come to the first question. The first question is how many of these total numbers are 720? Using NUMBER, there are 720 such words you can form with or without meaning. Okay, 720. But 720 bhitor among the total 720, how many of this or how many of those words will start with M? Kimanta M di arambho hobo bola bola. Total to 720 ta ase. M di arambho howa keta ase. If your concept is very clear, you can already skip the answer. Then if it begins with N, then also 120. If it begins with U, then also 120. If it begins with M, then also 120, 120, 120, 120, and there is 6 120, that is 720. 120 plus 120 plus 120 means N di arambho hua 120 ta ase, U di arambho hua 120 ta ase. They are same question, okay? Okay. ending with n, then also 120, ending with u, then also 120, all are 120. Anyhow, you will get the answer is 120. Okay, now let us go in details. Okay, how many of these words will start with n? At first, you note this one. Then let us move to the first part of this question. So, NUMBER. Total we have got how much? 720. Out of 720, how many will begin with the letter M? So you see, N the arambho hobo lagib. That means N cannot move. We cannot arrange the letter N. If you cannot arrange the letter N, so there is nothing to do with the permutation of that N. ঠিক আছে? N letter to কোনো permutation or কাম নাই তার. Because N cannot move. If N cannot move, there is no need to count N. Say N is fixed here. Okay? Because N cannot go here. Because if N goes here, then it will not begin with N. It will begin with some other letter. So N is fixed. N or কোনো movement nai. N, no need to count N. Forget about N. From NUMBER, you forget about N. Because N is fixed. It cannot move. So remaining how many are there? Remaining there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And letters are also how much? 5. So this can be filled in how many ways? We have 5 options. So it can be filled in 5 ways. It can be filled in 4 ways. Obviously there is no repetition. 3 ways, 2 ways and 1 way. So you see your answer will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is factorial 5. Shortcut 5 letters can be arranged in factorial 5 ways. Like 6 letters can be arranged in factorial 6 ways 720. So 5 letters can be arranged in factorial 5 ways 120. Okay. N the arambho hua 120. U the arambho hua 120. Begin with N also 120. Begin with B also 120. Begin with E also 120. Begin with R also 120. So 120, 120, 126, 120. That is total number of words will be how much? 720. So our answer is how much? Our answer will be 120. Done? Let us start the first one now. If the word begins with the letter M. If the word begins with the letter M, then how many such words we can make? You can say, if the words begin with the letter M, then there are 5 letters. Then there are how many letters? 5 letters. Okay. First place can be filled in how many ways? I'm going to write actually this. If the word begins with N, okay, I'm going to write this sentence. Okay? Directly you can start now. First place can be filled in 1 ways. First place can be filled in 1 ways, not this one, not this one. First place can be filled in only 1 ways. That is what? N. Only and only N. This will only come here. That is okay. Only 1 ways. That is what? That is the letter N. N cannot move. Now, second place can be filled in 5 ways. Third place can be filled in 4 ways. Fourth place can be filled in 3 ways. Fifth place can be filled in 2 ways. And last, 6th place can be filled in 1 ways. Therefore, total number of words equal to 1 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That will be how much? 120. Because neglect the 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. That is factorial 5. That is how much? 120. Then, so now let us move to the second question. If you have any doubt, you ask in the comment. Okay. Question number 2. how many of these do not end with B? Whenever you will get such kind of question, do not, there is only one way. No, there is two ways actually. Both the way I will teach you. One is the basic one. You find the total. Already we have the total number of words is how much? 720. And how many of this will do not end with B? You find at first how many of this will end in B. Okay, total I have 720. From 720, if I subtract all the words ending in B, what will remain? Not ending in B. Clear? Jodi total or pra B di hek hua khini jodi ma minus kore diu, ki thaki jabo? B di hek nuhua khini thaki jabo. That is the first and the basic way. That is from the total to subtract the words that end in B. Whatever you will get, what? The letters or the words, the words that will do not end in what? B. So this is the first approach. Second approach, direct shortcut, fundamental. So both the method I will teach you. First, the basic one. The basic one is again N, U, M, B, E, R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is said do not end in B. So at first you find end in B. If the number ends in B, only and only who can see it here? B can see it here, right? Because it has to end in B. That means how many ways? Only one ways. Only B can see it here. One ways. Done? Okay. You see the answer will be same. Again 120. Always 120. It begins with B, then also 120. Begins with M, then also 120. Ends in B, then also 120. Ends in M, then also 120. You get the answer is 120. So B is fixed here. How many ways you can fill this one? Obviously 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then what? 1. Finish. So let us write number 2. If the word ends with B, if the word ends with B, then sixth place can be filled in one ways. Why one ways? That is only what? B. Only B will be filled in. First place can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. 5 ways. Second place can be filled in 4 ways. Third place can be filled in 3 ways. Fourth place can be filled in 2 ways. And fifth place can be filled in 1 ways. So therefore, total number of words will be equal to 1 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You will get the answer is again how much? 120. So there are 120 words that will end in B. Our last question is, or main question is, how many of these will do not end in B? So end in B is 120. Do not end in B, what will do? We subtract from what? The total. Thus, or hence, anything you can write. Hence, total number of words. Total number of words that will not end in B will be equal to 720 minus 120. This will be equal to how much? 600 is the answer. This is the basic approach. You should know this approach. Okay, it is necessary. Now let us move to the shortcut approach directly by using fundamental. That's why I am saying fundamental concept is so important. Direct you can solve the answer. Direct you will get the answer 600. You see, we will use directly fundamental. Okay. So I'll erase this one. This time we will go for direct fundamental method. No more subtracting, direct the answer will come out as what? 600. Your fundamental has to be very clear. Okay, before starting the permutation, there is a second and third exercise. Your fundamental should be clear. So see, NUMVER 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Okay. It is said the word cannot end in B. B the finish hobo noare. B cannot come here. B cannot come here. We cannot finish the word with B. Except B, anything can come except B. It can finish in N also, U also, M also, E and even R, but not B. So if B cannot come here, how many ways you can fill this place? You can fill this place in how many ways? 5 ways. Why? Because B cannot come. Done? Okay. Say B cannot come. Some else will come. Say for example E. Say for example B cannot come. So E can come. Right? Say E. How many ways you can fill this place? Now this place. Or you can say the first place. Let us go to the right first place. How many ways you can fill this place? Is it 4? It is not 4. Why it is not 4? Because in this place B can come. Understood? So how many ways will come here? Again 5 ways. Again try to understand. Here why 5 ways? Because the word cannot end in B. Should not end in B. So B nahe yat. Jodi B nahe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ways? 5 ways. Done? Why again here 5 ways? Why not 4 ways? Because B nahe, kunuba eta to bohi gol. Kunuba eta to bohi gol. Except B, any of the letter, so obviously I have seated here, right? But here B can sit. The word can begin with B. Only it is said the word cannot end in B. That means B yad bohibo pare. So again how many ways are there? Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Agar B yad bohibo noare. So keta option ase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ways. Done? Say E. Okay? But say now E we don't have. But now we have B. B ti yad bohibo pare. So again how many ways? Again 5 ways. Say for example U. Now how many ways? Now obviously there will be 4 ways. Say B. Now how many ways? 3 ways. Say for example N. Now how many ways? 2 ways. M and R. Say for example M. Now how many ways? 1 ways. That is we have only how much? That is we have only R. So our answer will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5. 1 to no need multiplication. So you see the answer. 5 2s are 10. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 10 is how much? Directly you will get the answer is 600. So your fundamental concept is very, very important. Okay, you write in the side of your notebook. In exam no need to write, but while practicing, while doing self-study, it is necessary. It will save time, no need to minus. Yes, you can do with the help of permutation also, but still it will save your time. Okay, done. So let us start then. Solution. Sixth place can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. Why 5 ways? Since B can't be filled. Sixth place can be filled in 5 ways. Why 5 ways? Why not 6 ways? Because B cannot be filled. Now come to the first place. First place can be filled in again 5 ways. Why 5 ways? Because B, since B can be filled. Done. Second place can be filled in 4 ways. Third place can be filled in 3 ways. Fourth place can be filled in 2 ways, and the fifth place can be filled in 1 ways. Therefore, total number of words that can be formed if the word do not end with B will be equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 100 6s are, directly you will get the answer is how much? 600. So you make your fundamental clear. Directly you can solve it. No need to do subtraction. No need to do 720 minus 120. Directly you can get 600. Okay. Why 5 ways? B cannot come. Why 5 ways? Again B can come. Then 4 ways. Obviously no repetition. Then 3 ways. Then 2 ways. Then 1 ways. Directly you get the answer 600. So with this the first exercise is completed. If you have any doubt regarding fundamental, you ask any doubt regarding any question of this exercise. You solve the example question. These are very important for your any exam. You know the whole book will come in the metric, right? So if you have any doubt, you ask. In the next video, we'll start permutation. Okay, that is basically shortcut of fundamental. Permutation is nothing but shortcut of fundamental. That is the thing. Okay. So thank you. That's all for this class.